Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to back up WhatsApp messages on iPhone. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you looking for how to restore or how to take a backup your WhatsApp messages on your iPhone. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. First of all, you need to check is your iPhone iCloud WhatsApp backup is on or not. So for that you need to click this settings section. After click over settings section, you're going to find here your profile name. Simply click over there and then you're going to find here something say iCloud. By default, you can store up to 5 GB by free. So if your WhatsApp message is under 5 GB, you can easily back up in iCloud. Anyway, you need to check that is it your WhatsApp backup is on or not. So for that, you're going to see something say apps using iCloud. You need to click here show all and then scroll down and then you're going to find here WhatsApp. If it is off, you need to on those WhatsApp applications. So from now, whatever activities you're doing in your WhatsApp, everything going to be taking backup in your iCloud. So later on, if your phone, you change your phone, you brought a new iPhone and you want to took all this WhatsApp backup, whenever you sign in the same iCloud account, everything going to be restored in your new phone. Now let me go open my WhatsApp application and then let me see is there enable or not. So for that, in this right side there is a setting icon. Simply click over the setting icon and then you're going to find here chats. So after click over chats, you're going to find here something say chat backup. After that, we're going to see skin appear just like this. This is the skin. If you would like to turn on auto backup, you need to first click over here. If run is off, I will suggest you to on auto backup like daily, weekly or monthly. You can easily choose any option you would like to, and then you can also, if you decide to include video, you can also turn on include video. Or if you decide just now you had turn on or you want to take a backup right now, you can click here backup now and that's going to be take instantly backup right now in your iCloud. So after that, whenever you have changed your iPhone, brought a new iPhone and you want to restore your WhatsApp messages, you can easily log in your same iCloud account and then you can log in your same WhatsApp number. After that, you will get your option to restore your WhatsApp message. You can easily restore through that way. So in this simple way, you can easily turn on WhatsApp backup in your iPhone. So that's one now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.